morning, Bulldogs. Today is Friday, April 7th, and these are your whole school announcements.
This past week, the grades battled for the Who Runs the House title during Battle Week. Students participated in daily themed dress days. On Melanin Monday, students wore dashiki tops or Black Lives Matter shirts. On Tire Tuesday, students and staff wore comfy clothes. On Who's Who Wednesday, students and teachers swapped roles with teachers dressed in uniform. And finally, on Throwback Thursday, students wore their best 90s clothes.
On to upcoming whole school events. Next month, Grace is holding a major production called Stay Woke on April 27th in our own auditorium. The event celebrated the past, present, and future of social justice for Black and brown people. Tickets are on sale now. You can purchase them during lunch as the Stay Woke bake sale table. This past week was Affirmation Week. Students and staff set up tables in the cafeteria to promote more positive language in the school community. Students and staff had the opportunity to write positive notes to peers that will be delivered today during 8th period. The table also served as a space for students to ask questions around the use of the R word and how it affects students in our community. Thanks to Ms. Gray, we now have our very own Grats app. Download the Simon Grats app today to access the school calendar, updates, and announcements. The app is available on Android and iPhone. The Enrichment Department is proud to launch the Live on 5 series today at 4 p.m. on the 5th floor in room 505. Each Live on 5 session will feature a professional musician, group, or performer artist. Today, our featured artist is Spanky McCurdy in his Philly band. This drummer tours and records with likes of Lady Gaga, Lauryn Hill, Justin Timberlake, Nas, and Diddy, just to name a few. Come on out and meet Spanky today at 4 p.m.
On to sports. The boys' baseball team earned their first win on Monday when they faced the Mustangs of Dobbin Tech. The Bulldogs dominated the Mustangs by scoring 7 runs in the 3rd inning and eventually winning by a score of 12-1. The baseball team next game is today against Maritime Academy. Be sure to go out and support. Go Bulldogs! Congrats to our Bulldog Scholars of the Week. Dewan and Tania were nominated for showing self-control in the academic community. On to shout-outs. Here are a few short shout-out clips from your teachers and peers.
I'd like to shout out Dejana in my 6th period 10th grade lit class. While there are times when she might not want to do things, she fights through it, she asks questions, and she pushes through and displays that grit, and it all works out for her. And I just want to shout you out. Thank you for putting in that grit.
I want to shout out Miss Gary for always being there for me, and
I want to give a shout out to Miss D. Pompeo for being there for me and being a good teacher.
I want to shout out Miss Goose for being a good teacher.
I would like to shout out Chris because he's always willing to help one of his friends when they are in need.
A big happy birthday to the following students and staff today and this coming weekend. Thanks and have a great day, Bulldogs.